Good. So one more pressure point here. So we're going to move up the insides of the legs. So place your index fingers onto your ankles and then slide them directly up the leg at about 4 inches up. Doesn't matter if you don't get exactly 4 inches, but about 4 inches up. So from the ankle, so index fingers onto the ankles first, and then slide your index fingers about 4 inches up the inside of the leg. Good, so we've got 2 points there. Put your thumbs into those points, pressing gently. So again, another great point, pressure point to support our sleep. 5 breaths, close the eyes. So we have nadis, meridians, energy lines here running through the body. So the acupuncture, acupressure points, the Chinese pressure points, they're all linked to the meridians. Now, it might feel quite intense there. It might feel painful even. Just notice. Don't overdo it. And then gently start to circle in those areas. You're gently circling with the tip of the thumbs. So we're releasing the floodgates of chi, prana by doing this. So we're bringing more chi and prana into the body. More life force, more energy, vitality. So for many of us, our channels become blocked. And so we start to feel lethargic, lacking inspiration, creativity, or day-to-day energy to do the stuff we need to do. And it all starts with energy first. We're unblocking our energy, and then our physical health just flows. Good. And release when you're ready. Good. Okay, so when you're ready, we're going to come up to standing.